There was a special beagle, and Dougal was his name. Oh, D-O-O-G-O-E, 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 and Dougal was his name. Oh. Come on, everybody, let's go and have some fun. Oh, D-O-O-G-O-E, 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 let's go and have some fun. Oh. We have a new adventure, so come on, let's start the show. D-O-O-G-O-E, D-O-O-G-O-E, D-O-O-G-O-E. Come on, let's start the show. Wop, 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 wop. Wop, 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 wop. Wop, wop, wop. Hi there. You've ever wondered why we all chasing to each other? Well, it's because of the CodoNuto bird. Oh, not just because of his mischiefs. No, we're just playing tag. Huh? What do you say? You said, what is CodoNuto bird? Is it in Colorado? Colorado? No, it's in the jungle. Here, the jungle of fruity fruit. Where all the animals are like fruits. I see banana birds are beginning to like the CodoNuto bird. You see, CodoNuto is a nice bird, having solid body and head of a coconut for its own protection. And Dodo's face are just right for it. Now you see the CodoNuto bird really like. Oh, there you are. Oh, CodoNuto, would you like to say to everybody? Wop, 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 wop. Hey, wait for me. There was a special beagle, and Dougal was his name. Oh, D-O-O-G-O-E, 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 and Dougal was his name. Oh.